Varitec is the premier manufacturer's representative in the southwestern United States. In the early 1990s, the industry required a reliable, affordable source of single-point power panels that understood HVAC, along with assembly line efficiencies to cost-effectively build large quantities of similar low-voltage DDC panels. To meet the needs of our customers, we created our Electrical Control and Automation Division with UL 508A certification.
As a turnkey solution, we provide the entire manufacturing process, including electrical control panel designs engineered to your requirements, high-volume production assembly line, custom panel production, functional hot testing with site voltage, expanded foam packaging, and full-service shipping. We offer a continuously expanding range of products for HVAC and industrial applications. For example, auto-redundant VFD packages, public water system controls, VRV single-point power panels, industrial manufacturing automation, level controllers, and evaporative cooling control.
Premier Industries has worked with Varitec for almost 20 years. Whether a Premier customer requires a standard panel or a custom solution, Varitec always delivers. Their products and customer service are exceptional and keep us coming back.
With individual customer requirements ranging above 1,500 assemblies per year, our high-volume production line exceeds their expectations for demanding capacity requirements. Custom production is also available for highly engineered systems such as those using PLC control. Whether your next project requires HVAC electrical or complex industrial control, Varitec is ready to provide value and support catered to your individual needs.